Test, test. I have set up my mic again and all the audio, so I hope from now on my voice should be clearer. And even if with the background music running, you should be able to still hear my voice clearly on all the platforms. Let me open the social stream, Ninja social stream, and trigger the active. Well, what's that? Okay. Activate the chat so that I can listen and see what you chat from all the platform, like Twitch, Kick, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and yeah. So okay, is so I have two YouTube live stream running, one for portrait and one for the landscape, because some people will watch on mobile, on phone. It's better set up the portrait mode, so it's easier for you to watch on phone. Set it up right here. Will be that soon. Okay. Yep, all looking good. So first of all, hello Josh, hello Cray, hello Soul VR, Bori, user 614. Hi all. My social screen chat. On their screens, we'll see what I'm at. 5, 6, 5, 7. Okay, 7, 11. Yep. Turn on the notification, so if someone chat, I will be notified. Right. So first of all, I want to go through my mic setup. I want to share that with you so that if you plan to do a live stream on multiple platforms, just like I'm doing, you will be able to do that too. Let me drag my, here's my audio setup. I have the desktop audio. So simply in the audio mixers, I just use the desktop audio and a mic aux, which is by default you should have on OBS. Hello Ryan, hello Gio. So in OBS we have desktop audio and mic, which means whatever sound that I play from the computer, it should go through the desktop audio. I've just played the music. That will go through the desktop audio. And then for the mic, I have a couple of mic right here. I have the Shure MV88. I have the HyperX Solocast, which is this one right here. Then I have the mini mic, which is a better small lavalier mic like this one. It will work with whatever mic you choose. So our goal is to have the voice vocal clear, but have the music still running in the background, and but the music won't override the vocal, which means it will be compressed. It will be softer whenever we talk. And in order to do that, I add a couple of filters in here. First of all, I have a noise gate. So as you can see, I'm playing music through my speakers. I indoor Austin, so I'm playing music through the speakers. So if we don't set up carefully, then the mic will pick up the audio from the speakers, and then it will cause kind of delay or echo effect that we don't want to do that. So as you can see, other streamers, they have a headphone on, so they wear headphone on, so it will eliminate that problem. But I don't like wearing headphone while streaming. So, and also because I use like VR headset like this one, having a headphone on it's not like comfortable for me. So I need to set it up so that first of all, here in the chain, I have a noise gate. As noise gate will eliminate the sound coming from the speakers, and it will only pick up my voice whenever I talk. Yep. So in the noise gate, we have the closed threshold and the open threshold. The closed threshold means that when the volume that the mic picked up is less than a certain amount here, it will set the gaze down, which means it will mute the sound coming from the mic. And then open threshold means like it will be in a reverse direction. I mean, like whenever the volume is higher than a certain amount here, which I set here is minus 26 dB, then the gate will open, and that allows the audio to go through. And then we need to set up the attack time, hold time, and release time. For the attack time, we need to set it so that the attack time is small, like 1 to 5 milliseconds, so that it will pick up my voice like as soon as I talk. Hello, Dominic. Hello, Cat Travel. So yeah, and the hold time and release time, we want to set it kind of slow so that it will ease out kind of not abruptly. Yeah, let me play some music in the background here. Yep. So as you can see from the mic and aux here, whenever if I don't talk, then it will slowly the volume will slowly turn down. Yeah, as you can see, which means the noise gate is closing slowly, like that. You see, but whenever I talk, it pick up immediately. Watch again. Okay, see, so that's the noise gate. That's a noise gate. So the next thing, let me put these side by side so that people watching on mobile can follow. So that's the noise gate. What happens if I turn off the noise gate? Then it will pick up the sound coming from the speaker. watch the meter here, and you will see what I mean by that. Let me play the music again. So and go back here, and watch. See, so without the noise gate, the mic will pick up the desktop audio that we don't want. So when I turn it on and I don't talk, watch it, it's all muted. So if I don't talk, it won't pick up the speaker. You see, it's completely silent. Right, hey Terry, hey Yosio. Yeah, let me give a message here. Oh, why my social stream has turned off? Well, that's weird. Turn on the chat again. So March 14, March 14, March 14. Activate is selected. Alright, so yep. Now I should see all the chat from you guys. Hello. So alright. Let me send a chat message. See if you could get my message from here. Hello all. Yeah, so it's work on Twitch, Kick, Instagram, but not or YouTube. Is it working? No. Sign in. Sign in again. Hold on. Right, I'm signing into my YouTube account. You know, live streaming on multiple platform isn't easy because many things going on, and each platform has its own like difficulty. So yep. Sign in again. So like tools like social stream Ninja is pretty useful to aggregate all the chats to one. So let me sign in. Yes. Okay. So let me send another chat again. So explaining my audio, my OBS audio setup. Yeah. Okay, it's sent to TikTok, Kick, Twitch, but no YouTube. Right. Yeah, so go back. So I was talking about the noise gate. Now the next one is the compressor. The role of the compressor here is to make my voice louder and more even, which means if I shout or if I talk softly, you should hear it's pretty even. So now I'm talking soft, pretty soft, and then I shout like, it should be the same. That's the compressor. The last one is the noise suppression. So like I can turn off the compressor so you will hear what effect. So without the compressor, so when I speak softly, I hear it softly and loud. Woo! You will see the difference, right? With the noise suppression, without it, you will hear kind of background noise is kind of like coming from the fans, like buzzing of the speakers, stuff like that. But if I turn it on, then it will make my voice clearer, right? One more thing I'm setting up is on the desktop audio. Desktop audio, I also put a compressor, but this compressor is sidechain from the mic and aux here, which means whenever I speak, then the desktop audio will be compressed, which means it will be softer, so you guys can hear me clearly. So for example, in this part, it's pretty loud. If I don't talk, it will be loud, right? When I talk, notice the meter here. It will get softer and softer. Right. Okay, so that's my audio setup for OBS, and I hope with that setup, then the audio quality is much better. You guys can hear me clearer and also hear the music clearer. All right. So the next stuff that I want to do is I want to work on the Csound Meta Project. So Csound Meta Project is a project that I've been working with Dr. Richard Boulanger. Clear the feature message. Let me clear some message here so it won't display, because most of them are just basically my message, but let me clear them first. So in the chat also, right, just the chat here. Do I clear the chat on the screen? If I refresh, I think refresh cache of the current page, maybe. Yeah, it's all gone. So clear. So the next step, working on Csound Meta Project. More info. It's /effortless. All right, and feature just one of those. How to feature this? Yeah, I need to feature one of these message. So how do you do that? Do I feature this message? Or what's this feature? Yeah, working. I don't know. But I hope you will receive that message, and people who join later will understand like what I'm doing. I hope so. Let's open up Unity. Turn on link. So pass my screen from the Quest headset. Okay, objects found in your boundary. Let me share my screen casting here. Loading up like a minute or two to set it up while we're waiting for a Unity turn on. Right. I'm not sure if my message came out to doc, so I want to write it here. So I'm working on Csound Meta or info at /bear.co/effortless. And I'm gonna copy that to tip. Where are the messages? My chat. Okay. Yes. Are showing. Okay. Chat on Facebook. Then. Yep. Music again. Taking longer than expect to share the screen, to cast the screen. Cast again. Alright, cool. So Dr. B has sent me wait, I need to get my phone. I'm logging into my mail account. Right. into my mail account and check for a couple of things before I can start working on project. So hang on. Dr. B has sent me a couple of new stuff to put into Csound Meta. Let's see what he has sent me. What he has sent me. That way you won't be able to see it, but basically I'm looking at my email with Dr. B to download a couple of new classics. Where did it start? Okay, I'll go. Alright, I need to stop sharing for a little while. Just stop sharing for a little while, so I'll look at my email now. Okay, a few more compositions. Then I'm gonna put together a to-do list in Trello. Create a new card. We'll say the new card will say like more classics. And in this one, I download it to a new folder, and I'm gonna name it more classics. Save that there. A few more compositions in Matthew Thies and Dave Seidel. Other correction, Vestige of Time were composed by Matt Marino. The other CSD has already made correction, was composed by Matt Marino, who is a major Hollywood TV composer. Wow. Alright, copy that, put it into the checklist. Alright, next one, just clean up and debug those from Michael Goggins. Please add algorithmic or generative section. Download that now. Put it into the checklist so I can work on. Next stuff is alright. What else? I'm looking through my email right now. Okay, note correction. Descent was not composed by Dean Costello, but Descent was composed by William Pitt Moss. Alright, put that into checklist 2.
Didn't understand that.
Right. Save that. Next one. Okay, more classics. I have a big zip file here. Okay, download that one. I have two. He said I have this additional classic for you in 2 folders, one for colleges and one for Berkeley student for the new category in the classic sections. All right, put it to the checklist here. All right. What else? Some more plus classic. All right, download that. Save. This will be it for now. Where classes more. You know, which am I going to? Berkeley section, student section. I put those into one folder, and the college is another. Here's the final group for now. Right, let's download that one, save it. Yeah, I think I got them all. Okay, so I can close my email and then share my screen again. All right, share my screen again. Go to download, and then I put them all in this more classics folders. Some corrections that we want to do first. So let me open effortless. Yeah, open in scene. Hello, my phrase. All right. Then I'm going to managers. Under managers, we have presets and policy manager. No, not that one, but long CSD manager. In that long CSD manager, where's the okay? Oh, where's the list of all? Oh, I think it's because this is pin. We need to unpin that. Then we go to long CSD manager. We'll see all of the CSD in here, but because then I didn't name them, so basically I just put them as like more 31, 32, 33 something. So we don't know which is which. So we need to search for them like one by one. So it's he was talking about Vestige of Time, posed by Matt Mariano and Descent. Vestige of Time and Descent. We need to look for that. So open the folder that contain all of those files. Where is it? A new app, and that should be in like some kind of data roaming or something. Resource. Go to project effortless, and then I think it's in assets, then resource, and down. Yep, from here we could search for what was that? It was Vestige of Time. I don't see it. Okay, maybe just for time. All right, here. Vestige of Time is in which folder? Like open file location. So it's under volume classic volume adjusted to, which means those are old. Like I mean, like before I added the new one, like from here. So it's somewhere else in here. So maybe I could search for it Vestige. Yeah, right. So now I found it. I could rename it. So we need to change this to Matt Mary. No, not Michael Wardpresman, but Matt Mariano. Yep. Then I think we should also rename the file. Yeah, and rename this file as well. Oh, good. Bestie. Rename that. Rename the author. All right. Should go in Explorer. It should have the CSD extension. CSD extension. Wow. Alright, it doesn't work, so to oh no, yeah, it actually CSD. Let's listen to this one. Oh. Right. Back to the long CSD. Got 69. Long CSD 69. Where is it? Oh, 69 here. So, right, that should solve the problem of incorrect author name. Vestige time. Yeah, vestige time, prefab, vestige time. Let's commit that one. Correct author name. Matt Mariano. Commit. Okay. The next thing is to change the composer name of Descent. Search for that one. Hopefully. Yep. Descent was composed by William Pitmoss. So rename that. Oh, some of the classics didn't work. So let me get the list of those that didn't work and maybe fix those. Hello team, where are they? So I'm looking at my email right now. So I don't share my screen, but like I will share my screen soon after I look at the email to go through what I need to do. But, well, okay, here's the list. Right, back to sharing my screen. IRB. I'm about to sharing my screen. So I have a list of like a list of tunes, classic tunes in here that I need to put them into categories, and we'll need a new category for students. And let's see how we do that. So okay, here we have in the Csound long CSD manager. Let's switch to the code view. In the long CSD manager, we group the classes into lists just like this. So in here we could similarly add a new one called student list, and then we'll do the same thing as other list. So for here, okay, let me ask AI to do this for me. It's probably faster. Yeah, I think this one like AI. Alright. Now we have our student list. Then we can start like arranging things around, moving things to the correct position. Control C. Okay, now we have the students, Boulanger student list. Right, so you should be in the list. Aman Jakwani. Right. It is kind of short. Close this. Open this again. Then yeah, I need to make a checklist for this one. Make a new list. Checklist, and this is called Boulanger students. Then copy of this. Put it into list. Then these as well. Yeah, copy all of this. Okay. Go through one by one. Put them side by side so that I can watch. Follow the list easier. A little bit bigger. So Aman Zakwani, generative, pop, drum kit, etc. should be in the student list. Okay, but we have a big list right here. How do I find him from this list and move him around? Okay. Is it? Okay. I found one amount right here. Let me. Okay. In this one. In this one. Enough those two. Wow. Going through the list here is tricky. Pretty tricky. Because there are a lot, and there's no way for me to search. Oh, I have an idea. I'll create kind of an editor. Extend this editor so that I can search for a name, sound name. All right. In the Unity editor, create create text box so that I can search for sound name. Once I search, do the search, it should lock the sound name, category, and the position of the sound in the corresponding category. Yeah, let's do that. Right, AI is working. Our method to search for sound name and lock the sound name category in position and corresponding category to create the Csound long CSD manager editor. Okay, it doesn't create that editor, but it creates sound search editor. Keep that. All right. Not exactly what I want. Instead of sound search editor, I want to extend the Csound long CSD manager editor. Got 3 file chains. Keep that. Okay, on inspector, search for sound name, then it would do the sound. What in the search the sound? Let's go to search. Okay, in search sound, it will get this indexes sound name. Right. Use modified so that the sound name that is search is not the exact name but just keyword. Alright. Ooh. Keep. Save that. The mask sound name file on name that contain the keyword matching sound name count 0, then no file. Otherwise, for sound name in the sound, we get the index, then get the category, then get the position in the category. Looking good. So in the category, if this one, then okay. Looking good. Get position in the category. Yep. all good. So then in the Csound CSD manager editor, we create a search box and do a search query. Okay, all looking good to me. Search for sound. Now I want to look for Aman. Belongs to the Alright, it's reloading, 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 reloading. Alright, let's stop that. Okay. I want to modify the code. Modify the code so that the search will end in 5 seconds if I don't. Okay, alright. Okay. Modify the code so that the search function will work without an instance. What did it change from here? Now name instead of get index is now name. Now well, okay, so get sound. Why don't it use get sound index? What else does it change? Manager equal to target. Alright, yeah. Sounds good to me. Okay. So after that modification, I hope that I don't have to run the app in order to search for sound name. Should work in the like adding in the editor. What's that? Let's save that. List. Then manager, long CSD manager. How to search? I should be able to search for amount. Okay, again, let's throw another error again. Object. That is sound name. Which means sound name is an internal. No reference object not set to an instance of object. Long CSD 89. What's that? Sound name. That sound name equal get sound name, and it is only in. All right. So in the editor, sound name is null. Right. Like that. Go back again. Hi, thanks. Are you into programming? Any kind of programming? Yeah, this is Unity VR programming. All right, so let's see if this work for now. Like, let's search for. Cool. Yeah, what type of devs are you working with? Are they like web developers, mobile developers, or like front end, back end, server, or game? So okay, no sound found, which means the sound name's okay. The sound name is empty in the editor. Back end on orbs and dev orbs. On orbs. I haven't heard of that. What does that stand for? Yes. This is I use Unity to make this application, but I don't consider it as a game. It's like an application for a musician to create sounds and make music. So and this will be in virtual reality and mixed reality. So I use Unity because of that, not because I'm making games. Continuous operation, interesting. How comes I don't know that terms? This VR headset, Quest Pro. I do have like Quest 2, and I also have the latest one, which is the Quest 3S. These are the Quest 3S. I use all of them to develop, but my favorite is this Quest Pro. Yeah. Cool. So you're a Salesforce admin, and oh, this is C sharp. C sharp. So for game development, we have Unity, which uses C sharp. Then we have like Unreal Engine, which uses, I think, C++. C sharp not dynamic. Do you have to have all of those helper functions? I'm not sure. What do you mean by dynamic and like helper functions? You mean like, yeah, I don't understand it. Right here, I'm searching for command. General public background or also service. All right. So I guess we still have to do it in the during the runtime. So I have to start the app, play, wait for a couple seconds. Right, and then go to manager. And then, no, I need to start the host first. Oh yeah, Adam, okay. So Adam is asking, oh, I thought this was like, things were asking, but like this is Adam, that's a new, another guy's. Okay, and he was talking about like C sharp, not dynamic. Okay, it's get on animal sound and not get sound animal or something like that, for example. I don't know how to do that, like how it know whether the get animal sound is like a distinct function. You know, because like I have a list of sounds like this one, so I have these lists right here. Then I need to write each method to get, yeah, interesting. Yeah, maybe we could do something more generic. I think that's what you mean, right? More generic, like create a function that's just automatically know whether which sound that I want, whether it's ambient, classic, or drums or kicks, right? Yeah, the way I did it is like this because it's kind of easy to extend it, and yeah, but interesting. Maybe I could add AI to do that. I guess. Could you give me an example of that kind of dynamic function, like from other programming language, or maybe like in C sharp is already have that, but I just don't know. All right, let's do test this one. So I want to search for Aman. What? Aman's not found. Maybe is that case insensitive? Right. Yeah, it's case sensitive. We have Aman step 1. He can in drums position 5. Drum position 5. So this long CSD. Let me pin that one, and I search for long CSD manager. Right, this prefab, and then it should be under category drum position 5. So drum position 5 is right here. All right, that one I need to move it to list of students right here. Yep. And next one is generative poppies. Oh, by the way, let me turn on some music so it's not too boring. This is Aman Sub-1 generative pop 30. Let's play that. Alright, all the music is generated. So generative music from these codes that you are looking at. And these are Csound. Right. So generative pop is in generative position 16. It should be here, 16 here. Yeah, I found Aman. I want to move him to the student list. Where is it? Right here. Aman, move it down here. And then I think Sam as well. All of these Sam should be under. All right. Where is it? Good. I made a mistake. So when I move away from the CSD long prefab, then it changed all the views in here, and I lost track of those. Is it long manager? Probably I need to pin that too. So precision, I could search for what Sam, then move off Sam Jam from here to the list of Boulanger students. What else? So I got an Aman generative piece position 17 as well. Aman FM 30, I think. What is this? Why? Oh, the sampler. Yeah, I think I made a mistake. So delete that array elements. I should have 3 Aman in here. Aman pop, Aman FM. Yep, Aman pop is missing. And from the list above here, generative AI, we could remove one. Sam dash Sam, Sam dash Sam, Sam as well. So 51. What is 51? 51 is also Sam. Let's rename this file. So later on, I don't have to search for it. And how about 52? 52 is also Sam. Sam Marston. Jam 3. Let's move these two under student list. Remove Aman from the generative cell list. Oh, someone is asking, Rachel, which software is this? Sorry I missed your message, but yeah, this is Unity. Alright. Yeah, it's the top message is not showing up the list. Huh? Okay. Social stream is cool, but not always working. Open it again, because I don't want to miss any message from anyone. Yeah. I don't want to miss any message from anyone. What? Cool, come back. So position 5, 16, 17, 16, 17, and Sam. We got Sam, so we remove that. Right, anywhere else. Here's the list. Got Aman. Got Sam. I think you are a pro in this. Thank you. Are you into programming as well? So next stuff is Andrew Stone. Search for Andrew. No file for this. Maybe Andrew is like that. No file. Wow. Let me stop one and then okay, this should be case insensitive. Your search keyword should be case insensitive. Generating edits. Okay. String alright, system string comparison. Ordinary ignore case. Wow, interesting. I didn't know that we do it that way. Yeah, typically I would convert it the keyword into case insensitive, or the sound names into like all lowercase, and then I gonna compare the keyword. I didn't know that we could do this. So yeah, AI is doing a good job for me. No one knows everything. One knows everything, and it is so much more easier with the AI support. So if you have a strong foundation to know when AI is doing good or not, like, then yeah, I think it is the best time now to do programming. Best time than ever to do programming. So let's go back here to CSD manager, and this time I'm gonna search again for what's that? This I'll try other keywords. So like stone. Alright, I found it here. So the sound name stone, it will be in composition, position 19. Composition, position 19. So ambience classics, here comp 19. Yep, found it there. Put it out under here, and then remove it from list. Maybe later, because if I remove it now, then the order gonna be messed up, and I'll lose track of it. So I'm gonna remove it later. So the next thing is drop Igor. I'll search for his name, like Igor. So it's in generative, position 17. Generative 17. Right there. Yeah, it's so much, sometimes it's so much easier for to spend more time to develop like a Apple feature just like this one, because like among the like a lot of sounds like this, and all of those names are, as you can see, like CSD long, CSD long, CSD long, which is pretty difficult. So writing a Apple function like this one, like to search for sounds, so helpful in the long run. So I done Andrew, Igor, then next one is Jen. Jen. That's composition, position 27. Composition, position 27. Here, 27. Yep, found it. Oh, where is it? Okay. Instead of scrolling up and down, I'm gonna move to this list. 27 here, Jan. I'm gonna move over there. So next stuff is fragments of forest. By fragment of forest. Yeah, fragment of forest. I remember this tune is pretty nice, so say fragment. Let's listen to fragment of forest. Yep, ambience position 0. Right here. Move it over there. Next stuff. The heartbeat. Search for heartbeat. Will be composition, position 29. Composition, position 29. Yep, found it. Put it over there. Next. Let me copy the name here. Tania Vasileva. Generative 30, position 16. Generative 30, position 16. Generative 16 here. Alright, next stuff. Phase on Mars. Wow, that's a lot. Phase on Mars, composition 13. Position 13 is right here. Right down there. And then vestige of time also. Move over the vestige of time. Composition 14. Oh. Yep. I think it's time to clean up the list for now. Otherwise I'll lose track of things. Where did we start with? I think it's Andrew. Okay. Composition 14. Okay, composition 14, 19, 27, 29. I mean, wow, that's a lot. I need to have another list. I need another list. Another list in here. And, okay. And then a list to keep track of the one that I want to remove. So in comp we have 19, 27, 29. 19, 27, 29. What else? And then 14. Alright. For ambience we have 0. Ambience 0. Then we have generative 17. Yeah, generative 17. Is that enough? 19, 17, 27, 29, 6, generative 16 as well. Composition 13. 3. Jump 3. Okay. So let's remove those for now. Right. Composition 19. I need to remove from the bottom so that I won't lose the order of things. So the 29 first, then the 27, then the 19. Okay, Andrew. Oh yeah. So yeah, exactly. 19, and then remove. Oh shit! I should over here. Right. Wrong list. But we could copy, I guess. Yeah, exactly. We could copy and paste. Let's play another song. $14. Yep. 13. That's done. Ambient 0. I need to remove the ambient 0, which is pack the forest. Then remove the generative 16, 17. Wrapped. Okay, cool. Then stop. Then start again. So then we have a new list, and we keep going from that new list. Yeah, we should have a new list now. So lossy manager. Right, we have a new list. So we have done with that. Yeah, let's see if anyone is chatting with me on other platform. Okay. Yeah, all right. Okay, I have a better ideas to do this faster. Yep. So search. This is already working. I want to save this for now before I go further. yeah, before I go further, I wanna with this be able to search for sound name in the list, in the classic list. Create new list called Boulanger students. It now before I go further, and then I'm gonna modify it a couple more. Let's add more files, which is the Csound long CSD manager editor. So let's play some other music from here. I don't know what should we play. It plays the trap. No. Search for trap from. Yeah. Okay. So drop in convert. Let's listen to that. Things. It doesn't work. So let's play something else. Oh, okay. It's just slowly start. Okay. Oh no. Pendulum. Colin Russell. Okay. Yep. My idea is to in the editor when after I search for sound, it will list all the sound. The sound is positioned. Then I can select it to move to the Boulanger student list and also delete it from the original list. That's what I want to do. Modify the search function, search feature so that it'll list the sound name, its category, the position in category, this is sound so that it will list, so that it will create a list of buttons that allow me to move the sound from the original category to the Boulanger student category. Each button text should include the sound name, its category, the position, and the position in the category. Modify the search features that I create a list of buttons that allow me to move the sound from original. Should include the sound name, its category, and position. Yeah. After pressing the button should disappear. Cool. Let's do that. Modify on inspector here. Third gear button is matching sound that allows moving the sound from to the Boulanger students category. Yep, modify the Csound method to return a list of matching sound names and add a new method. Move sound to Boulanger students. Move the sound to the Boulanger student category. It's generating edits. Cool. So I did a couple changes in here. The search sound will return a list. That list will contain the matching sound names. Right, move sound to the Boulanger list. It get the sound name, then an index from it, and it will get the category, and for each category it will remove from the list and then move it to the new list, then log it out. Yep, looking good to me. So the matching sound name is a list, right? Let's keep them all. Matching sound name, search sound, and then for each of that it will okay, the button the sound name only. Okay, the button shows sound names only. I want the button to show the category and the position, the original category and position of the sound name along with the button. Okay, it creates a search sound detail and a search query. Search query is oh wow, what's this return? This is so it create a new function called search. Customize layout like that one. Close that. Okay, so it's create a list of string, category, position, the sound detail. That will be matching sound detail. New list of that. Then matching sound name. We find all matching sound detail for each sound name, matching sound detail. Sound index is index of that sound. Object is that. Category is that. Position is that. Return the matching detail. The search sound return a list of sound names. Then over here, we have the comparison. Let's go to setting and word wrap. Flash wrap on. You should follow participant. Okay. So we just created two functions: search sound detail and search sound. So merge the search sound details methods and use only one. We need only one method. Okay, someone is saying, oh, for which name no sound is detected. For which nose is it called bug? No, no, it doesn't call a bug because we only have a limited list of sounds that about like I think around 200 sounds only. And now what I'm doing is like I'm rearranging the category of sounds. So because we create a new category here called Boulanger student sound list, and we move things around from other category to this new category. Yep, and because the way we name is kind of similar and use number instead of the name, the sound name and the author name themselves. So like for example, this one CSD long 32, 33, 34. Kind of hard to tell which sound is it. So that's why I need to write better capper function. Yeah, to move things around. You know, something looks simple, but it just takes a long time to do it manually. Alright, so we merge those two functions. Let's see how it did. Okay, so yeah, it definitely merged the two methods together to create just one search sound function that's return like three things: the sound name, the category, and the position. Sound name, category, position. And then it create a button. That button includes the sound name, the category, the position. It might a button like this, the text might be too long, but we'll see. I prefer to have a button with just the sound name, and then under that it will have the category and position as text. Yep, we'll see how it works. Let's pause this one. Let it compile. Let me switch to screen here. Let's compile for a while, and then we'll see. So yep, I need to run it before I can use that feature. Building, and from here I can start host. Yeah, it's running. Then we're looking for long DSD manager. Go down here. I want to search for what did we do the last time. So call to attention. Search. Yep. Now, yeah, with the attention, it show three things right here. One in the classics. Why do we have two in the com category? And the same position. That doesn't look right to me. Yeah, it's kind of duplicated. Yeah, it's duplicated. So let's see what category that the search sound went through. Back to the code. That's so it's find all the sound in this sound name. Yeah, definitely duplicated. Alright, so if a sound appears at two or more locations, like just like this one, because we have moved it before, and it's appeared three locations: the classic, the com. The last one should be in the student list, but we didn't check for. So basically, under here it just goes through all the sounds again to find that exact sound name, and then although we have three in here, then this is duplicated. But like, I guess I just remove that. Okay. Wait, what? 75. Oh, it's actually auto extension. It surprised me. Yeah, I'm confused because this called tension thing is it appears at so many locations. Alright, so they are all now under Boulanger student. But look, we yeah, so this is 70, this is also 70, and also, and then this is 75. So yeah, definitely duplicated. Let me check out the file itself and listen to it, and listen to the two and compare whether they are same or not. It's kind of swelling up beginning. Okay. 711. Yeah, 711 is a Control Shift F7 and Control Shift F11 allow me to switch to full screen view and then zoom in for people on mobile to watch. I like to call it 711. $75. Look at 7. Oh, is same file. Then 75. Let's see, more 75. That's the same files? Yeah, is it exactly the same file? So yeah, definitely we have a duplicated thing in here. So I'm gonna remove this 70, this 75, delete it completely. Go back to long. Remove that. Okay, next. Zhang base pose. Just for pose. Yep, the first one right here is classic. Position 6. So classics, position 6. Yep, definitely a Yang. So I just need to press this button and it will move down here. Double check if the position 6 should be gone. Yep, position 6 is now like something else. Cool. So that's done. Next thing is electric priest. Plus move over there. Then airport. Boom. Yeah, as you can see, after we implement the features, I think it's much easier. Now just click up a button. Ghost. Let's listen to that ghost. So we have two ghosts in here. Which one do you prefer? Aaron Low Ghost or Daughtry Ghost Bell? Try this one. Let's see how ghostly it is. starting slowly. It's deeper near. Classics, but goes done. Yeah, done. Moving gray part 1 and 2. Moving gray. Nope. That's a different name. No. Oh, exit. Gray. I was searching for the author name. Yeah, I don't have moving gray. Okay, it's that. Right, now let's copy the list. Paste it here. This is 12, that's the same. 95, that's the same amount. Kicks, same. Drum, 99, that's the same. Comp list is different, so let's copy that and paste. Over here, classics 83, classics. Copy that and paste. Ambience, same, right? So we don't have moving gray part 1 and 2. The next thing is hunger artist. Let's search for hunger. Right, move that. Random spoinks. Spoinks. Nope. Nope. Okay. Let's search for random. Oh, random spoinks. Spoinks. Random spoinks. That one. Spoinks. What does that mean? Interesting. How did I left? Oh, did I? Did I left? No, I'm not sure. It looks to me that the stream is still on. Yeah. I sure wonder why I left, but I didn't. Or maybe like problem of the network itself. I don't know. Hopefully, it's still working for Rachel. So yeah, random spoinks sound interesting. Okay, cool. Yeah. So I'm still live. That's good. Where I am? So I was at.
It's definitely good that you're alive. I'm glad to hear.
Okay.
Is there anything?
Next up, background noise. Gonzalez background noise. Of that. Not Tip. Search for tip. Not tip. Let's listen to that one. Now the music is sound pretty empty. I won't do not tip. Alexander tip. Not tip. Interesting snare drum, kick drum, synth, bass, beat. Snare drum, bass drum. And of course, I am actually why you left the sound name. Oh, why you left the sound name? This in checking order. Any specific left the sound name in I don't get it. Could you clarify your question? Like, if the sound name equal this in checking order, you mean in the code? In I mean in the, let's play this one. Come back to the code. Do you remember which file or which line of code? Yeah, like, I'm not so clear about your question, but like if it's related to the code, then and if you remember where code is in which file and which line of code, then please let me know. So I was searching for tape, and then a tape has already moved to Boulanger student. Next up is Alfonso. You'll see, move that. Yep, Alan. Search for Alan. Yeah, piece 1012. And then like William. First, next Brian. Yep, Brian Stutter. Then maybe another Brian. We only have Brian Stutter. We don't have. Do we have Maple 7? Maple 7. Let's search for that. No, we don't. Okay. So we have solved Alan piece 103. First Stutter. Let's check it out. Brian Stutter. No, it's related to sound name search. Okay, related to the sound name search. Left the sound name So it's related to this search. Let the sound name equal in order. I'm not sure, but like I'm just searching for just searching for like a keyword. So like for example, like Chris Hobson Etude 1. I might name it differently. So I could search for Chris or Hobson or Etude. Let's search for Etude, for example. We have a bunch of Etude in here, but we want to move this Chris Hobson Etude 1 to the student list, not the other Etude 1. So in the after the search here we have this Richard Boulanger Gen C Etude, this Etude 1, this Etude 1, 2, 3, but the one we care about is this one. So I'll just click on this one. Let it move from whatever it was to the Boulanger student sound list here. Yep. Yep. After that is done, then we could cross it out. Yeah, let's check that out. The Etude 1. Now, Chris Hobson. Let's play that one. That's the one. The next one is the Colin Rosso loading zone. Colin, let's search for Colin only. Yeah, loading zone right here. We can cross that out. Next, there is Peterman Piss. Let's search for Piss. Now here we go. Next we have David Box 3. Yeah. Search for 3. Yeah, some one is pretty short. It's just like less than a minute. This one, wind chimes. Cool. Yeah, I'm glad that you follow and have questions for me. That's make me feel more motivated. Because sometimes when I do a live stream, like no one is watching. I feel like I'm talking to no one, but like having people just like you, yeah, be like more motivation to do things. Yeah, keep going. Thank you. So we were doing David Bang wind chime. Then next one are top variations. Variation. What? No, it's a different kind of variation. This one is Ignacio Longo. We don't have that. Next is Jinla Cohan Sinclair Monolith. Let's check that out. Monolith. Ooh. Then Escala 3. Yeah, as according to Dr. B. Jun Woon Park, he's like now a professor, I think. professor in a university. Yoon Park. Yeah, here we go. Park. He's a musician. Is it him? Wayne State University. Make music with electronic toys and other sources that he can record, synthesize. Interesting. I'll definitely need to check him out. He's a rising star among modern composers. He produces music, recording everyday sounds as well as some more unusual ones, and designing his own. Okay, that's Joon Park. And let's 3. Let's check out this one of Joon Park. Chorus sign has chorus sign. Then the second instrument is FM sweep. Third instrument is noise panner. Reverb. Composition is composed in 2001. Wow, 24 years ago. And yeah, it's about 415 lines of code of the song that you are listening to. Okay, The Fall of Time. Yep. NG. Next, Larry Big Thunder. Low Lucky. Thunder. So Larry Big Thunder. And then Metal Beat. Look Robot. Yeah. Next one is Mr. Csound. Call to attention again. I remember we've done this. Slow burn. Okay. Satoshi Zazie. We have 2 Zazie in here. Satoshi is the one. Then final one. Yeah. Check that out. Oh. The music's still going on. The music of Joon Park still going. Pretty soft. Let's switch. Alright, Trello. Then Satoshi, final one. In Valencia. Yeah. And nuclear energy. That sounds interesting. By Jacob Joaquin. How do I pronounce that? Jacob Joaquin. Nuclear energy. Let's listen to nuclear energy. I wonder how a nuclear energy sound. Yep. Misunderstood trend. Wow, May 6th, 1998. 27 years ago. Interesting. There are several errors in here. I don't know if it affect the output of the sound at all, but it sounds good to me, even with these errors. Oh, sorry, I have someone knock on the door. So there are people working on our on the road in front of our house. They just asking us like whenever we want to go out and let them know, so they will move things around, so they won't block our driveway. Cool. Yeah, nuclear sound, similar sound to thriller sound. Yeah, I think it because it's has some kind of middle, like what's that called, Mediterranean, like kind of Persian sound, like harmonic minor or something. Yeah, there's like in some video games, like for example, Prince of Persia. Oh, you will hear that kind of sound. Yeah. All right, next one we have text file funk. I remember listening to this one. It sounds good. Yeah, let's check that out. If I should be funky. So this one G verb G lay hi-hat with variable amp hit length frequency random added to the amp and frequency. Kick drum with the same thing. Snare drum, yeah, also variable amp and frequency, so they add a couple of random mics into sets. Random silent kick snare. Plug with FM. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Next, Sing Jing Jang. Bass poles we already moved them, but like this 4 MIDI file scores we haven't. So okay, we finished with the list, except a couple of tunes here that maybe I missed them. I didn't put them there, or maybe it wasn't working correctly because some require MIDI file or audio samples or some dependents. I didn't include those dependents correctly, so it didn't work, and then I didn't put it in there. So I'll leave them there for now, and we'll work on those later. Yep. So let's copy this student list, put it over here, and kick list stay the same, drum stay the same, arm stay the same, classic sound from 83, now we have 56. Yep. Student list is 56. All good. Let's test it in the headset. The new list and see how it works. So in my desktop, so I could see your chat. Also see the code. Host. Okay. Now I'm gonna create a classic. Oh, why is error getting? What's wrong? There are a bunch of errors. Maybe we fixed something, but we broke something. So we may broke something. Selected sound and preset name error getting error sound name. The variable classics sound list of C sound long has not been assigned. The very classic sound list. What? Right. Are we missing anything? Let's open this one. So it's line, what line is it? $49. Csound long CSD manager. Yes, line 49. This long manager. Be long manager 49. Okay. It's a solid convert on objects. Like let's look at the traces code from 15, line 15 in Csound evolving op manager to 12 in Csound selector involving ARP. And then get sound names 49. Then you probably need to assign classic sound list variable vector. Like the sound in the various classic sound not been assigned. Classic sound list is here. Not been assigned. Classic sound is, oh, okay, I got it, because we I got it. Because we copy and paste to from the list during the runtime and then copy it to a prefab over here, then there's a mismatch in here. So as you can see, like a bunch of them have no name in here, and the list is like 88, but we expect it to be like 56. So yeah, let's fix that real quick. In effortless, go to manager, long system manager. Then in here we revert, which means we'll get the data from the prefab. It should be 56. Let's double check everything. So everything looking good now. It should work now. And then I think we can bump up this to new version, which is 9.7.6. And then we are so ready to make a new build. So I'm gonna put my password for my key store in here. After testing, maybe we can make a new build. Ooh. Yeah. So let's start host, and then I'm gonna switch to my screen. Doesn't look like your ends. Okay. Yeah. Able to see. I'm seeing now. Let's create a classic. One thing before I forgot, I need to turn on the audio. So here's the. What is this? This is Bob. Why? Bob? Oh, really? Should be like the author name and the name of the piece itself. But like here it's just Bob. Down here just channel mix. Like some doesn't have author. doesn't have a piss name like this. Bob. Let me search for Bob. ESD. It's a manual one. Okay. It's just bob.csd. That's it. Really? Okay, interesting. All right. So this is the fall time. You're playing. Let's listen to nuclear energy again because we listened to it. You know, it should work. What? I think it's working, but it's pretty soft. It's too soft. Try another sound here. I barely hear. Too soft. Sound. The volume setting somewhere. Let me do this pop again. Yeah, it's pretty loud from the computer, but like from the headset I can barely hear it. Not sure why. Okay, up here the VR audio from the computer. Computer audio in VR. See that? Okay. Let me stop host. Start again. Hopefully we solve the problem of like no sound. This one. I don't hear anything. Weird. Hey, yeah, a couple of new here. Welcome. Stop program. Start again. And this time I hope that we can hear sound clearly. Start host. Open up plastic. Oh, here it's okay. There. This time is yeah. You should be able to hear that. Let me stop this up. CSD. Stop. Terminate. Yep, you should be able to hear the sound, right? Login Mandel, and I have a bunch of files in here, bunch of composition in here. Yeah, let's try. I don't know, maybe box 3. You all can hear it clearly, right? Ooh. Based on Mars. You want to listen to that? Try that. Let's face on Mars. That of the world. Let's put some effects. This is delay reverb. Connect to the effects. Ooh, all works fine. Yeah, it's 240, so I have to stop in like about 10 minutes. Let me see if there's anything that I should do before I wrap it up and make a new build. So yeah, we have a couple of new CSD file. Couple of new files in here, more classics, and let's see if we have enough time to put all this back in again. So Michael Goggins. Oh wow, there's a bunch of those in there. Berkeley students, and then classic college. Okay, these require MIDI and samples. Time variation. Alloy and the G-trap knife is praised. Okay, I guess I need to make a build now before I go. But like, if any of you interested in this Csound Meta program, then check out my website bear.co/effortless. And so if you're interested in Csound Meta, please check it out. It's bear.co/effortless. All right, the build. commit first, then make a view. Move some classics to new students inventory. Add feature to the editor to move a classic to student inventory. Push that, then build and run. It will take like about 5 minutes less, hopefully. Yeah, by the way, on the website, like Beta CEO, effortless. Those tutorials I made like almost a year, like last year, so May, I think. So some of them are out of date. I will spend time to revise those tutorials. So I will do a live stream session. Do that too, so you guys could follow. I plan to also create a Discord channel, like we could discuss more, not only about programming but other things like music, like martial art, like diet, gym, nutrition, like entrepreneurs, business, any kind of thing. I'm interested in many things in life, and in every field that I join, doesn't matter is programming or music or whatever. I always try to do the best that I can. So. Yep. Please follow, like yeah, actually created a Discord channel, but I haven't set it up. It's just completely empty. I don't know if you're interested in joining that to get started. Maybe. In the meantime, while we're waiting for it to compile, we share the Discord server over there. Invite, copy link. Join my Discord server to discuss more Csound Meta or programming, in general, also arts, business, yeah, gym, diet, music, happy day. doesn't it copy from phone to try the link? No. Try to copy. Try to copy from phone, but it doesn't work. Let me try again one more time. Open phone link. Oh, phone link is not working. Or I could type it in. There. Copy. Okay, it's now working. So copy paste that. We have made a new build. Final testing. Allow this phone to access the microphone. Yes, allowed. Host the music from here. Close. Terminate. All right. Quick test. Quick test. Open it. Younger artist. I don't hear it. Broken. Final one should. Yep. Final one's working. Here. Oh. But it's working, but like I don't know why the sound doesn't come from the headset to the computer, so you won't be able to hear it. But I'm glad to tell you that it's working well. I'm ending my session for now. Thank you very much for watching. Please follow, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next sessions. Thank you very much. Bye. Stop streaming.